When Ferrari decided to build a motorhome, they didn't just make an RV, they reinvented what it means to travel in style. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome camper is a $3.2 million masterpiece that fuses pure racing DNA with first-class comfort. Bold, aggressive, and dripping with luxury, it's unlike anything the road has ever seen. From the outside, it's a visual spectacle. Sculpted aerodynamics, jet-inspired body panels, and a deep crimson carbon fiber shell that screams Ferrari. Active aero vents shift automatically based on speed and terrain, while the front fascia borrows cues from the SF90. And yes, it even has retractable side wings that stabilize the motorhome during high-speed turns. Powering this beast is a V12 hybrid setup delivering a jaw-dropping 1,050 horsepower. Despite its size, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. Thanks to adaptive all-wheel drive and Ferrari's track-tested suspension tech, the ride feels more like piloting a supercar than driving a camper. Inside, you step into another dimension. The cockpit is wrapped in red Alcantara with carbon trim, and the digital command center includes a wraparound HUD and holographic navigator. Voice control is handled by Enzo, an onboard AI that responds to natural commands and adjusts lighting, temperature, and even scent profiles. The living area? Sleek, modular, and unmistakably Italian. The lounge features leather swivel chairs, a hidden 75-inch OLED screen, and a linear fireplace trimmed in brushed aluminum. The entire living space expands sideways at the push of a button, unlocking 90% more room when parked. The kitchen is ultra-modern and minimal. Magnetic induction cooktops, a disappearing faucet, touch-activated counters, and a full smart fridge, all seamlessly integrated into the aesthetic. A Ferrari espresso module? Of course. Engineered for precision coffee every time. When it's time to rest, the bedroom unfolds like a high-end suite. A floating king-size bed with adaptive suspension guarantees rest even during movement. Mood-reactive LED panels and ceiling starlights create a calm, luxurious vibe. And there's even a retractable skylight, perfect for stargazing from the middle of nowhere. The bathroom is a spa-grade wet room, heated floors, rainfall shower, and self-cleaning tech. Water recycling and air purification systems mean you can go completely off-grid without sacrificing a thing. And yes, this RV includes a rear compartment garage, just big enough to house a Ferrari e-bike or a compact drone rover for off-road exploration. Only 99 of these marvels will ever exist, each one custom-built to the owner's preferences. Whether you choose the Rosso Scuderia theme or go full carbon stealth, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're making a statement. So, would you take the wheel of the world's fastest luxury RV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more unreal rides that push the limits of what's possible. Drive legendary. Live limitless.